The amateurs are feeding you a bunch of misinformation to make them seem more valuable. The reality is, I'm going to show you how to get clients from Facebook without using Facebook ads. And instead of showing you the obvious ways, I'm going to teach you some strategies that will help you get more leads in less time. Hi, I'm Chris, and today we're talking about getting clients on Facebook without having to pay for Facebook ads. And I know that might sound difficult, especially if you've tried before and haven't gotten any results, but today I've got some strategies that I want to share with you that have been scientifically proven to work. If you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get an alert every time I create a new video about growing your business through social media. Over the last 21 years, I've helped thousands of coaches, consultants, and entrepreneurs grow their businesses by attracting clients online. And Facebook has been a total game changer. The first key that I want to share with you is that using your personal profile is going to get you far more visibility than just using a business page. So your very first step is going to be optimizing your personal profile so that anytime someone is checking you out, they see that you can offer them a transformation. Now you've got to be careful here because Facebook does not want you selling directly through your personal profile. In fact, they're going to put you in Facebook jail if you do that. So we've got to be careful, talk about the transformation instead of pushing a product or pushing a service. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever been put in Facebook jail for trying to sell through your personal profile? It's such a delicate balance. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever found yourself in Facebook jail for trying to sell through your personal profile. The next thing I want you to do is fix the mistake that so many people make when they're selling on Facebook, and that is they spend all of their time talking about themselves. Look, your prospects don't want to hear about you, and I'm sorry if that offends, but it's true. Nobody wants to hear about you and your transformation. What they want to hear about is the transformation that awaits them in working with you. So all of your content should be geared to the transformation that you offer your clients. Instead of showcasing and showing off all of the things that you're doing, talk about the things that you've done for others and the things that you can do for the prospects that are looking at your profile or your business page on Facebook. One of the best ways to find prospects on Facebook is in Facebook groups. But what does everybody do when they get into Facebook groups? They get in there and they just try to start selling and selling and selling, and that just doesn't work. Instead, you should be leveraging groups to build relationships. People online now want to buy from people with whom they have a relationship, people that they see as an expert, who have authority and who are trustworthy. So go into groups to build and nurture relationships, and that is going to lead to more sales for you. And while I mentioned earlier you should be using your personal profile to extend your reach, it's also important to have a business page. Your business page is where people are going to go to check you out as a legitimate business. And it's okay to take the content that you put on your personal page and replicate it over to your business page as long as it's related to your business, because this is where people are going to go to validate you as a business. Marketing your business on Facebook is a whole lot simpler than you think, and it's a whole lot easier than the amateurs want you to believe. The amateurs who are just guessing at what to do on Facebook are feeding you a bunch of misinformation to make them seem more valuable. The reality is, if you're on Facebook and you are top of mind in front of your prospects, they're going to step out of the shadows wanting to work with you. And that's where it's essential to stand out on Facebook as an entrepreneur. You must be consistent, showcasing the testimonials that you have once you've started to get people results, and you should be showing up in a positive, uplifting way all the time, so that anytime someone sees you, they get that good feeling about you as an entrepreneur, as a business, and they want to work with you. They're drawn to working with you. Coming up, I'm going to show you the top 3 mistakes that everyone makes when they try to market their business on Facebook and how to fix them. When that video is done, I'm going to place the link right here. Here's a video that YouTube thinks you're going to like, and don't forget to subscribe so that you get alerts when I create more content like this.